Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, the cooking angel, here again, and today I have something for y'all. Please clap for me. I've really done a good job in trying to bring this particular content together for y'all, and you guys can already see the title and know what it is, but currently at the moment I do not even know what the title is going to be. But I have an idea of whatever I want to film, so sit back and we'll get into it shortly. Let's take the intro. Okay, hi guys, so welcome back. Well, today we're going to be talking about how to spend 1,000 naira per day in Covenant University, or in a Nigerian university, but Covenant University to be specific today. Anyway, so today most of what I'm going to be saying is going to be revolving around mindset, because if you are not set, or if your mind is not positioned in a particular way for you to be able to spend and all of that, is going to be difficult. Because if you have the luxury kind of mindset, you would not want to save some money for anything, and you will just be spending anyhow. But if you are the person that sort of hoards money, then yeah, you'll be saving, but then you might not be investing. But that's the different ball game to it. But what I'm trying to say is that when it comes to money, and when it comes to dealing with even food, like eating, everything boils down to your mindset. So today I have about roughly 3 or 4 points to touch on before I now give you guys a free gift. Yeah, I have a free gift for you also. That free gift is going to be at the end of this video, so please stay to the end. And don't fast forward to the end of the video. Watch the video in full, because you're definitely going to learn a lot from it. So now, the first point I have on how to spend 1,000 naira per day in Covenant University is making a budget. I know this might sound cliche. Everybody has been saying make a budget. But to be honest, it really helps, because you do not even know whether you even have enough. You don't even know whether you have up to 1,000 naira to spend per day in CU. Whenever you come in. So for me, I do not really have a percentage on how I split my money, because if I get more, there's a way I shall split it, because I know that my food has to be settled, and yeah, so my food has a specific amount, and I don't go beyond or below, because irrespective of how the market changes, I do not go beyond or below, because I know I'm saving for a particular thing. Do you understand? So make a budget, because that's when you will know the amount of money you have to spend on food for the whole month, if you receive your money monthly, or for the whole week. Yeah, so that is very, very important. And please, it's not cliche. I think I already even have a template on how to make a budget. Yeah, I'll link the template in the description box, but at the same time, I would also sorry guys, I will link the template in the description box, and I'll also link the video where I explained that template up. I don't know whether it's here or here, but however YouTube does it, I think Shadow shall put it in one of the places. So yeah, making a budget is very, very important. Then the next thing is portion control. But then, how do I put it? It's not exactly portion control, because it's almost the same thing, but it's just that I'm going to be tailoring it towards a different kind of view. So what's it called? Sorry guys. So portion control, according to Google, is eating a certain amount of a particular food, healthy, a particular healthy food and all of that. So what I mean when I'm talking about portion control in this sense is that don't eat as if you're a glutton, to be honest. Even if you have the money, even if you can afford to spend 1,000 per day, I think that it will do you good if you save that money rather than just spending it anyhow. Do you understand me? So I feel whenever you're trying to buy a food or eat something, portion control is very, very important, because yes, some people have different sizes of stomach. Some people eat more, some people eat less. But then look at your pocket, and then look at whatever you have, and then see the amount of money you can spend. That's why I said making a budget is very important. So take for example, there was this particular day that honestly I've been trying to master portion control for the longest time, but then in the school where we are in, we cannot really measure things in cups or any of those things. So most of the time, it just depends on the amount of food you're buying from the butchery or from wherever you're buying the shop. So I bought a meal and then I was like, okay, let me eat the meal. So I ate the meal finish, and then it was like I thought I was hungry again. But then I started to ask myself some questions. I was like, are you hungry or you just want to eat? Well, my answer to that was I just wanted to eat because, like, who does not like food? So I just wanted to put something in my mouth, and that is just gluttony. That is just gluten. There's really no other way to explain it. Like, it's not like as if you are hungry. Like, imagine I'll be full, but I will still go and buy something. I'll still stuff myself with something. I mean, what is the extent to your gluttony, Angel? But that aside, so the point is that if you're full or if you have eaten, I think rather than you just going to add more things on top, it's better to just let that food settle and let it digest. And then for some reason, you tend to get fuller over time. I don't know if it's just me that happens to. Like that particular day when I tried to, make sure I do not eat anything after I had eaten the food I bought. So I was just like, I'm not going to eat. So I stayed back, and then for some reason I did not even really feel the hunger or the need to eat anything anymore. So, and from that time up to now, it has been like a part of me. Do you understand? So like it has been a part of me from that time till now. So I think it's really, really important to master this, because that will help you from spending money on things that are not necessarily adding anything to your body, and then at the end of the day, they just get stored there, and you store them in your body as fat or any of those things. So it's best for you to master portion control and let your food digest before going to bed, or if you are going to bed immediately after you eat, like sit down for some while. I'm guilty of this thing, but sit down for a while, let your food go down very well. Then the next thing is to make a timetable that tallies with your budget. Well, timetables sometimes can be very tasking. I won't lie. Like, they can be extremely tasking, especially when you're in a school like this, and like everything is not like static. So you have to sort of like move things around and make it very, very flexible. But making a timetable is very important, because you can have like specific amounts tailored towards a particular meal for like lunch and dinner, or breakfast and dinner, depending on how you eat. But most of the times, I really eat lunch and dinner, because I hardly eat anything in the morning because I have classes in the morning. So do you understand? Except for days like Fridays when I don't have classes, and I can maybe sort of whip up Indomie, because of those guys in Butchery will not come early. So do you understand? So like, make sure you have a timetable. I funny enough, I have a video on how to make your food timetable as a CU student. I have that video. I'm still gonna link it up here so you guys can check it out. So now that's basically all my points, and then I'm just going to be reading out some combination of foods that you can have in Covenant University that you can sort of check out. Like, you can check it out and just add those kind of things to your timetable. So rather than you just thinking of it yourself, I already have some foods here. I'm not going to mention all, because at the end of the video is where the main document is going to come in. So what I'm going to giving you guys is the document, actually. So the first one is rice and protein. So your rice could be in any form, like white rice, jollof rice, fried rice, and your protein could be eggs, sausages, what else do we eat? Guys? Beef, and that thing, beef. And then we also have assorted, like, so many other things that you can add to your rice so that you can get balanced diet. And then your dinner could be like moi moi and gari. That way you're not even spending too much, so you have like 600 for your food in the afternoon, and then you have like 300 for your food in the night. But then you might ask me, okay, so Angel, what about all those other things they sell in school, like boile, yamarita, chicken and chips, and yam and fish? God, you guys can kill me with yam and fish. I love that thing. I don't know, I just love catfish, and it's really, really nice. So yam and fish, waffles, all those things. So how exactly do you come in with this timetable? The only way you will know that is if you stick to the end of this video. Anyway, so yeah, those things will come in. So make sure that whenever you're making your timetable, you have everything section with the prices of these things, and at the end of the day you will realize that you are mounting to about 7,000 in a week, and I don't think that's harmful. I think it's a good amount, so that you have like 30k to spend in a month. And the funny thing with this thing, some of the days you might not even spend up to 1,000. Do you know why? Because you have things like provisions, you have things like Indomie to keep you sustain in case like you had a class and your class ended very very late and then you don't have time to go to CAF and all of that. You can still come back and still make indomie. So that day you've not even spent your money for that dinner time. Do you understand? So you still have money there, and then you can also add it to some other things. Yeah. So guys, now we're getting closer to the end of this video. So basically what the document I have to show you guys contains a combination of several food items that you can combine together to make up 1,000 naira in a day, and then you can eat that. But then this particular what's it called document doesn't contain anything for breakfast, because I want to believe that most people have classes in the morning, so they would not have the time to eat. So for the mornings, I would advise that you just eat like cereal. It's like if you can make indomie, actually make indomie. It's better to eat indomie in the morning rather than in the night, because in the night you're literally going to bed immediately, and then you can wake up with a bloated stomach, and I don't think anybody wants a bloated stomach. Yeah. So eat indomie, cereal, anything depending on your preference. In the morning, oats, yeah, I forgot to mention oats. And then you guys, something happened to me last night. So last night I wanted to eat oats and bread, but when I came back and I realized that oats and bread, am I really making sense here? That's like too much. I felt like that was too much carbs for me to take at that night. So what I did was that I what's it called sorry guys, so what I did was that I just put chia seed. Yeah, I put chia seed inside my oats when I was making it. And what exactly is chia seed, you might be asking me? Chia seed is like just a normal seed, but this particular seed adds a lot of fiber to your body. So what I did, I kept the bread aside though, thinking I might still eat it, but when I was eating the oats, I felt myself getting fuller and fuller and fuller and fuller and fuller. And that's what chia seed do. When you take in a lot of fiber, you just tend to get filled on time. Like you're not even stressing. Do you understand? Like you tend to just get filled very, very fast. So that's one thing chia seed does. So if you can get chia seed, it will really help you. But I don't know. They don't sell chia seed in school. Yeah, they actually do not. I brought this from home though, and it's soon finished. Yeah, so they don't sell it at home. But if you want to get, you can ask me. I don't know, I might figure out a way to get some to you. That's if you want to get, but that really helps. There was even one time I was cooking indomie, and then I realized that I cooked 3 indomie that day. Please don't judge me, I cooked 3 indomie that day. Then I now realized that why exactly can I not finish the indomie? Then I realized that, oh shit, I put chia seed and sesame seed inside the indomie. So that just made me realize that, okay, this thing actually works. A lot of people put it in smoothies, but chia seed will really do you good. So currently that chia seed is inside my wardrobe, and I forgot to bring it here so I can show you guys. So I will just do another clip showing you guys what the chia seed looks like. So yeah, so that's basically what it's like. So now the question about what of things like yamarita boli, that how exactly do we incorporate that when they are so expensive? So in this particular document, I have a combination of how you can eat those things and still not spend more than 1,000 naira per day. So I have them. I also have even replaceables for those things. So to be honest, this document is actually very, very equipped, so you should even check it out. And I also have my smoothie mix inside. You can check it out. Like my smoothie mix, that will obviously make you full. And then if you're able to get the chia seed, always take it with you when you're going to get smoothie, because you would not have any issue of eating drinking your smoothie and then you're not obviously getting filled. Do you understand? So like this document contains a lot, so you should actually check it out. Because you have things like waffles, boli, yamarita, and to be honest, for me, I stan CAF 2's yamarita. Like I don't know about your CAF 1 guys, but I stan yamarita from CAF 2, and it's just 1,000 naira. And why I stan it is because it is not made using sugar. I don't know where that idea came up from, using sugar to make yamarita, but I do not like it at all. And then the sauce in CAF 2 is really, really nice. Guys, so apparently the video cut at a point because storage. Otisalo. My storage finished, so I had to transfer and do 1 or 2s. So from where I stopped when I was talking about the fact that I stand Cactus Yamarita, yeah, I actually do stand Cactus Yamarita because of the fact that it's not made using sugar, and then so it's not made using sugar, so that's the reason why I stand it. And then their sauce, oh god, their sauce is so nice. And then I feel like when I get from there, I'm getting like something worth my money because it's like 1,000 naira. And then for the shawarma, oh god, Cactus shawarma, please, that man is doing a good job. So like his shawarma is so nice, guy. Like I only tasted so, but hey, I was steaming bubble, but it's actually very nice. So you guys should actually do try it out if you want to buy these things. Like don't worry, all this information are going to be contained in the document. So the document contains this information, and then I'm going to link that document in the description box. I'm also going to link the budgeting document in the description box also, and I'm going to link the video where I talked about how to build, like how to make your own food timetable in CU. So I'm also going to talk about that. So you guys should actually do check it out because this is like value. I'm giving you guys a lot of value, and to be honest, I'm so happy about this video. I don't know why, but I'm very happy. Yeah, so please do check it out. And I think we've come to the end of this video. More like I have come to the end of this video. And I guess the day I'm going to be uploading this video is going to be my birthday. I think so. Well, anyways, happy birthday to me in advance. Yeah. So please do like this video, share this video with everybody, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you can always get notified anytime I post a video. And then if you're in CU and then you're watching this video, please share this video to your group chat and let every other person learn from it, and then if you have questions, please always ask in the comment section. I'll be willing to answer your questions. I love talking to people. And then if you don't want to ask in the comments, you can. My DM is not far away. Just type the cooking angel on Instagram, you'll see me there, and then just ask your question. And then if you have any more video ideas that you want me to talk about, you can just put that in the comment section, or still DM me on Instagram or anywhere. So also follow my socials, Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yeah, so do all that, and to be honest, that would really help me a lot in achieving my goals for the month. Yeah, so guys, we've come to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right now.